In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off email notifications on ClickUp. This guide will take you through the process step by step, ensuring that it's easy to follow whether you're new to ClickUp or just looking to customize your notification settings. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to control your email notifications more effectively and free up your inbox from unnecessary updates. So, let's get started by heading over to ClickUp. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the ClickUp website. Once there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not logged in, simply enter your credentials and sign in. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your workspace, which is the main hub where all your projects and tasks live. Now, let's move to the second step by directing our attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. This is usually represented by your profile picture or your initials. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu that offers various options related to your account. Next, from the drop-down menu, you should select Settings. This action will take you to a new page dedicated to all the customization options available for your account. Settings are a powerful tool within ClickUp that allows you to craft the user experience that best fits your workflow needs. Once you're on the Settings page, look for the navigation menu where you'll find several categories. From here, you're going to want to click on Notifications. This will take you to a section specifically for customizing how ClickUp communicates with you. Within this area, you'll find numerous options for various types of notifications, including in-app, push, desktop, and email alerts. We're focused on email notifications today, so look for the Default Notifications section. Click on Default to open up a list of standard notification settings associated with your account. It is essential to customize these to ensure your workflow remains efficient and your attention is focused only on what matters most. Finally, scroll through these settings until you find the option that says Disable Notifications. Clicking on this will turn off the default email notifications. Once you've disabled them, ClickUp will no longer send emails for routine updates, keeping your inbox clutter-free and reserved for more important communications. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off email notifications in ClickUp. Remember, you can always revisit this menu if you want to make adjustments or turn notifications back on. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to manage your notification settings effectively. If you found this video useful, please consider liking, subscribing, and clicking the bell icon for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.